Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you guys today to let you know my progress on what I'm doing on the socks. See if you guys can see it right there. Okay. So this is my progress, you guys. This is how you stitch this up. It's stitched up like this. And then you take it and you seam it like this. And then you take the gray part and you put it right here. But I kind of did this one already, started seaming this one up right here. All I need to do now is make the pom-poms and the strings that lace up right there. But I don't know if I'm going to use the pom-poms. I might, or I might make them bigger. I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know when I show you the finished product. But I just wanted to come on, you guys, and just let you know what I was doing, how far I got. And I hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful day. And I wish you guys all the best on your day. I hope today is Easter. And so I hope you guys are having a beautiful day today. And you know what, you guys? Remember, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.